The moon is a veil on the keys of the past, a tempo of grace that was never meant to last. Lappy Pampi, the arpeggio sighs under the gaze of the classical skies. The silence is velvet, the balance is gold, a story of winter that's waiting to be told. But a tremor is rising, a static in the air, the smell of the burning, the ghost of a glare. Honk, honk, ba-ba-da-ba-ba-ba-ba-da. Honk, honk! The plastic is bleeding through steel, crushing the beauty with a serrated wheel. Yet, but not a sap, the piano is thin as the grit of the hardware starts to crawl in. The saturation core is a furnace of rust, turning the sonata to chromatic dust. It's a violent collision, a mechanical crime, stopping the pulse of the classical time. Harder, harder, the frequencies break under the weight of the symphony's ache. Redline, the meter is pinned at the peak, the sound of the machine that the dreamers seek. Couloir, the honking is wide, with the ghost of the piano nowhere to hide. You knew put the clipping is sweet, sweeping the rhythm right off of its feet. The symphony's ghost is a flicker of gray as the saturation core melts the melody away. And so the red line is king. Hear the roar of the mechanical wing. The beauty is slaughtered, the beauty is charred, the path of the genius is suddenly scarred. Lappy Pampi, a truncated moan, caught in the buzz of the saturation zone. The honk is a monster, the honk is a wall, waiting for the weight of the symphony's fall. Everything heavy, everything sharp, locked on the ribs of a red line driven harp. Faster, shriller, the red line is high. We're watching the memory of Beethoven die, 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 die. The symphony's over, the road is now still, a monument built to the saturation's will. The red line has settled, the meter is low, watching the mechanical go.